Ever pondered what life would be like on the crimson landscapes of Mars? Imagine waking up to a sky that isn't blue but a dusty rose, where a sunset isn't a warm orange but a cool, eerie blue. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a potential reality as we edge ever closer to interplanetary habitation. Earth, our home, is a planet teeming with life, filled with diverse ecosystems that range from lush rainforests to arid deserts. It's a blue and green oasis in space, with vast oceans and breathable air, a place where life has thrived for billions of years. On Earth, the air is rich with oxygen, the temperatures are mild, and water, the elixir of life, is abundant. Now imagine Mars, our neighboring planet, a stark contrast to our own. Mars is a barren land, its red soil devoid of visible life. Its thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, offers little protection from harmful solar radiation. The temperatures swing wildly from day to night and liquid water is scarce. The Martian landscape is a stark, unending desert, its beauty desolate and alien. Yet, despite these differences, Mars holds a certain allure. Its rugged landscapes and towering volcanoes speak of a planet that was once not so dissimilar from our own. The discovery of ice at the poles and evidence of ancient rivers hint at the possibility that Mars may have once harbored life. The thought of transforming this desolate planet into a second home for humanity stirs the imagination and fuels our desire for exploration. Living on Mars would be a challenge, to say the least. The thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field expose the surface to high levels of radiation, making it hazardous for humans. The low gravity, just about a third of Earth's, could have long-term effects on our bodies. And then there's the issue of resources. Everything we take for granted on Earth, food, water, air, would have to be produced, recycled, or transported from Earth. In contrast, Earth provides us with all we need to survive and thrive. Its rich biodiversity, comfortable climate, and resource abundance make it a paradise in comparison. But the exploration of Mars is not just about survival. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know, understanding our place in the universe, and preparing for a future where Earth might not be our only home. In conclusion, while Earth remains our cradle and the ideal place for life as we know it, Mars represents a challenge, a new frontier for us to explore and understand. Life on Mars would be drastically different and far more challenging than life on Earth. From the stark landscapes to the harsh conditions and resource scarcity, living on Mars would test the limits of human ingenuity and adaptability. Yet, the allure of the unknown, the promise of discovery, and the potential for a new beginning make the Red Planet an irresistible destination for future explorers. So, as we stand on the threshold of a new era of exploration, we continue to dream, to question, and to reach for the stars. Because the story of humanity is not just about where we come from, but where we're going. And perhaps one day, that journey will take us to the red soils of Mars.